Hello, fourth grade families. I just wanted to show you real quick what a digital learning day is going to look like for your student for the next few weeks. Once they get into Schoology, the only course that they are going to be using right now is the one called their Social Skills and Work Habits classroom. Once they are in there, there's only one folder that's going to be available. They will click on that. There's lots of stuff in here, but the main thing that they're going to click on every single day is whatever week we are on. So they will click there. Once inside the weekly folder, there will be another folder for each day of material. So for tomorrow, they'll click on Tuesday, March 24th. Each morning, they'll start their day with a class discussion. This is something that we've done in class almost weekly, so they should be familiar with that. When they are finished with their discussion, they are going to come down here and open the second thing, which is just going to take them to a Google document that looks like this. So every single day, all of their assignments are going to be included on this same document. All the links and all of the things where they need to record information will all go on this same doc. So at the top, we just have the joke of the day and whatever national holiday it is, just to give them something interesting to learn for the day. From their discussion, they will give me a little feedback about what they talked with their classmates about there. Then they will move on to their ELA work. What they need for ELA is linked right here where it says Scholastic. Then they will just type their responses in the box. And then for math, they have used Zearn several times before. Most of them should remember their logins, but if for some reason they do not, just shoot me a quick text or email and I can send that to you very quickly. They should have brought home their materials from school, so they should have math notebooks or some sort of notebook that they could record their problems in if they need to work anything out. When they have completed the lesson for the day, so we're asking that they only do one lesson a day, they need to go back to Schoology. And then down here, the third thing in there is something we call an exit ticket. And it just gives them a couple of math problems so that I can check in and make sure that they understood the lesson for the day. After they're finished with the exit ticket, they have just a few more things on the doc. We're asking if kids can try to read. IDR time is their independent daily reading for 20 to 30 minutes a day. They have lots of different resources they can use. They should have brought library books home, or we have a site called Epic Books that they can use. They can also access books from the Cedar Creek Library online. We're going to ask that they go ahead and record the book that they're reading each day, the author, and the number of pages that they read. And then lastly, page marker, if their Chromebooks will allow them to download this later on in this digital journey, we may ask them to mark up some different documents on their Chromebooks. So if they could use this link to download that. And then the last thing that they will do is every week Mrs. Kaufman sends out different kindness challenge type things for them to do. So that will be their final thing. On their screen, their doc will look a little bit different than mine. And up here in the corner, they should have a button that says submit. If they can just make sure that they submit their assignment each day, so I know that they have logged in. If we go back to where they logged in originally, so again, this very top folder is where their work for each day is going to be. And then we have lots of other activities that are below. So if your child is finishing this stuff up here pretty quickly and you want them to have some other things that they can do, they are welcome to explore any of the other things down here. For now, that's all I'm going to give you for right now. If you guys have any other questions, please, please, please do not hesitate to shoot me an email, text me. I can set up a conference with your child. I am here to help. So anything I can do, just please, please let me know. Thanks, guys.